What's up, YouTube? Back with another one. Hey, look, this video gonna be about how Carvana actually turned my business up. I always used to say I made money in the stock market with Carvana, $5 a day. Just putting. This is when it was COVID, and it went down to $5. If you know, you know. Cool. Nobody was talking about it. They was like Wall Street was sleep, whatever. I won't sleep. That's the difference with investing. I was ahead of them, but I was in the market, learning the market at that time. The thing was, it bought me other stocks that I needed to buy. Nvidia, I can name so many stocks that I own just from Carvana profit. That's what people need to understand about investing. It may took a few years to build the portfolio, but this next one is what I'm about to tell y'all. I had the box truck, paid for that with my cash. Cool. Yesterday, this is coming to the channel now. Just got the cargo van. Of course, y'all can't really see it whole, but you're going to get the point of what I'm saying. With investing, some may take years, some may take months. It's all on the money you're going to put in and invest in yourself. Cash is trash, bro. Be for real. It's an O2. Cool. You can see it now. As you can see. Cool. Clean. The miles, 70K miles. Got a steal deal. And I'm already... Y'all know I got my car dealer's license, so I know a deal. I think they got it from the auction, but I bought it from a business. That was the best part about it. He didn't really have to sell me too hard, because 70K miles, what would you do? And not even over... I'm not even going to say, not even over 3K, I promise. And I bought it from a business. They probably going to use it as a tax write-off. It don't really matter to me. They helped me out. So I went from putting the cash up for this box truck, kept investing the whole time, as y'all seen on the channel. Y'all seen me post the cargo van business, the box truck business, the cargo that I pick up all the time. Took a break on it, probably about a month or two right now. Now I'm about to start reposting those videos again to show y'all the loads you will be getting if you get a van, if you get a truck. It doesn't matter, either one of them, I'm gonna make some money. I haven't showed y'all the trailer. Y'all seen it on the channel, but I haven't really went in depth too hard. I got the trailer too that I'm gonna hook up to the van for certain things, especially one day I don't wanna drive the box truck, right? Let's say somebody for the trailer, what I'm gonna do is, I've seen this happen a lot with the box truck. I've did it, but that's not really what I like to do in the box truck. I'd rather come pick up furniture and things. But people will ask, can you haul like brush the trees and stuff? They'll have it already cut up for you, and you just gotta pile it up. But I'd rather pile it up on the trailer right in front of me. So that's just even more income that can come into my business. I already know what to do with the box truck. Cargo van, come on now, you can see the racks on there. When I go pick up like wood, like you're building something with from Lowe's, y'all seen it. Just go look at my videos and shorts if you don't know what I mean. Instead of me putting it in the box truck or whatever, I've seen people, that's really the ladder rack. But guess what? You could put wood up there too. Strap it down. So the way I say Carvana just turned my business up, I sold the rest of it. I put like a couple hundred that I had left into Nvidia, Tesla, split it with IBM, Oracle. My basics that I already owned, I just powered up more. I mainly went for more the capital gains I'm gonna get from it, instead of, I was gonna buy Walmart, but I canceled the order because I'm like, Walmart's pulling back to like $100, probably going to 98, 97, whatever. But I'm not really worried about dividends right now. And I literally, the funny part is this morning, Energy Transfer, I own the stock. So I don't make this up. It's the 19th, November. It just sent us a dividend. After I had just, like I said, after I sold the rest of the Carvana, I bought the stocks. I put what I had left back into it. The dividends hit this morning. I looked and said, I got to get back from spending that money from Carvana profits back into the market. So the only thing for people to say they haven't made money in the market, what were you doing? If you're saying, because I see where people are messing up at. If you bought stocks, if you're going to hold it long term, you're going to make some money. If it's the right stocks, you're going to make some money. No ifs, ands, or buts. So the people that tell you they lost money, If they said they were doing trade options, bro, gambling. That does not count when you tell me you put your money in the stock market. Even if you said crypto right now, same thing. Why would I gamble in crypto? Gambling crypto on meme coins. Like right now, the market is down in crypto. Bad. Bitcoin is at 89K. 89K. If you're smart money, and a good investor, and got some money stashed, you're going to put your money in Bitcoin right now. That's what Wall Street literally about to do. You're about to hear somebody put, here go these crazy numbers, billions, millions still in Bitcoin. That's how you're going to make, especially at 89K. And you know the highs right now, for what we know, it was like 120, might have made 130. It was on the way to that 150. And I remember years ago when they were saying Bitcoin was going to go to 150K. But the point is, how can you make money in this world and flip it? I don't care what game you do. I could tell people, this is the main one. You people that only know how to sell little bullshit, and I'm talking about the illegal stuff, bro, it's the same thing in the stock market, but it's actually your own money. Most people taking these risks, they go to jail for nothing, bro, compared to the market. I swear y'all taking the wrong risk. You can start with $100 right now in crypto for what I just said. Either get cash flow or flip it into this. Right now, this is not financial advice. This is just what I'm doing and going to keep moving up and elevating. Something new may come in the future, but when I do these videos, and it's just right now. Because the thing about it, I see what most Wall Street investors are doing. They're only worried about this year. When I bought Carvana, no lie, when I bought Carvana in 2021, bro, I wasn't knowing when it was going to go back to 300. I didn't know. I was new. I just knew I was a car dealer, sold cars. Carvana was good. Carvana tech was ahead. And I'm like, that's pretty good. The market's down. Guess what? Over the time, you hold it. I was selling it. When it got over 30, I knew something was about to happen. Not really, but I knew when it got back up to 30. When it got up to 60, I knew. I started selling a little bit of profit here and there. A little bit. I'm like, let me sell 100. Let me sell another 100. Let me sell 200 to 400 now, especially when I started seeing NVIDIA, when NVIDIA was at 400. And I'm like, I'm buying shares, and I'm like, hold up. Carvana still was going. I started holding more when it was at 100, because I'm like, maybe it's about to do it. You just don't know. You just got to hold, because I was mad that I had sold it at 60. I could have had even more profit if I would have just held on, but I didn't know. I wanted to feel how to get a win in the market. And that's what it taught me now. I know how to win in the market. I've been showed y'all stocks like Micron at 60. I still own all these stocks. I'm not the guy that's going to come on here and tell you all the trade options you can get. Cool. I could tell you how to flip it and turn it into another business. Turn it into a cargo van business. Turn it into a box truck business. Which one would you do? And I don't work for anyone. I work for myself. Monday through Sunday. I know how to elevate, stay disciplined. The consistency. One thing I learned, somebody said the other day, you doing it big. No, I just keep going. I take losses just like anybody else. A lot of people want to admit their losses. Y'all see, I will. It is what it is. Everything ain't the prettiest or the fanciest, but guess what? We keep going. We only can level up. What you think the next thing I'm going to bring to the channel? Something that's cash flowing. We're only going to build wealth and keep going to the next level. See the difference? So these channels that's saying they're making, especially these trade options, the gambling channels, basically now, all these, they're making 5K, 10K, 20K that week. Please show the charts and show where you lost. I'm not saying people aren't having winning weeks, but right now at the rate they're going, everybody's acting like they're winning and they're learning. Oh, that's two different things. Learning what you're doing and actually winning is two different things. You're supposed to be doing both. Some of y'all are just trying to get a quick play. As y'all can see, what's new on my channel, the products. Hey, if you're looking to get into some of these products, I love fitness. Hey, get you a fitness product. I promise your body's gonna feel good. It's gonna thank you later. You're gonna feel 10 years less than what you feel right now in age. So like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think.